Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and I'd just like to mention, if you're a gas engineer, you can watch hundreds of my how-to and overview videos in my ball repair library. More about that at the end of the video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a Glowworm Flexicom 30CX, and what the problem is, you can see it flashing up, is F9. Now this means one of two things. It's normally the pressure sensor or the pump. So what's happened, British Gas has been out to this boiler, looked at it, and they said that the pressure sensor's gone. So they've also said the automatic air vent was leaking as well. So I got them parts. That's what the customer told me. British Gas come out and said these things. So I got the parts, come out to fit them parts, what I said. But what you're going to see now is it's not that. So I'm going to take you through my diagnostic, what I found out what it really is. So to get the cover off, you may already know this, but what you do, the screws on the front there, and then this just lifts off in one go. Right, I want you to listen very carefully. Basically, I thought the other problem could be the pump. So listen if you can hear like a little buzzing noise. So you hear that little tick? That's basically power being put to the pump from the PCB. And on the front here, what it'll do, it'll attempt to maybe 3 or 4 times, and after that F9 will come on. So watch. Looks like it's going to attempt again. Might be the click, and the fault code will come on now. So there's a fault code. So like I said, it sounds like the pump's not turning. So what I did then, I'll show you. So what I'm going to do here, this is the plug lead going to the pump, as you can see, live, neutral and earth. I'm going to pull this off because I want to get on the connections going to the pump. I'm going to put my multimeter across these 2 connections here. So wait a minute, I'll do it this way, and then let's just put my multimeter better there so you can see the power going being measured. So you can see power there. So that means it is the pump. The pump had gone. So you can see it go off. That click is putting power onto the pump. It's come off at the minute. There you go again. So that's how you know the pump has failed. So it wasn't the pressure sensor, as British Gas says. So that's how you do your diagnostic. So that's the end of today's video. So like I said, you can watch hundreds of my how-to and overview videos. So all you need to do is look in the description below to find out how you can access the ball repair library today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.